the burger with the egg on it, guys. You love me an egg on burger with some delicious runny yolk. Try that out. Mmm. Oh yeah. Guys, oh, pepper, a little garlic. Guys, that's a delicious burger. Yummy. Try with some ketchup, mustard on there. Oh yeah. Tried and true. Do you have a favorite?
I like to mix combine the eggs and the bacon and eat it, yeah.
That's a good call.
Yeah. I'm also not that big of a mayo guy. I'm also like just a good old ketchup mustard. I do put cheese though.
I'm an odd one. Not being a big cheese fan, but very delicious.
Unbelievable. That was like 20 seconds.
I take some big bites sometimes.
Yeah.
Put it that way.
Every month.
Cheesesteak looks really good too, actually. I'm really impressed. Do you guys put like a gravy or something on it, or just like, because it looks so moist and juicy?
Yeah. We do put a little bit of gravy. That's kind of like, yeah.
Look forward to trying it, guys. All right, guys, here we got the burger with the egg on it, guys. You love me an egg on burger with some delicious runny yolk. Try that out. Oh yeah.
Yeah, with the egg, eh?
Man. What a good combo. If you're not familiar, guys, eggs on burgers is the best thing ever. My God. I love it. So you do egg and bacon, that's your combo?
Yeah. Egg, bacon, cheese, grilled jalapenos as well.
Oh man.
I love big loaded burgers.
You're like me, you like flavor.
Yeah.
I love all the flavors.
Yeah.
I really like your burger spice too.
Yeah.
It's just like so welcoming, but it really still accents like the meat.
Thank you so much.
Hear that crunch? Amazing. Dude, that's like food porn.
Oh, yeah.
Crunch is amazing.
Yeah.
Some mustard. Is there like standard sauces you recommend with the onion rings?
Yeah, the house sauce is actually really good with the onion
Toad
rings.
sauce?
Yes. We have a spicy version of it. Do you like spicy food?
Yeah, let's try it.
Yeah, I'll get you some spicy house sauce.
Thanks, my friend. Sounds great.